everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this Reese padlock. This is a really neat old padlock. It still has the clevis chain on it partly, and it still has the original keys. This was sent to me by Random Locks. And guys, if you haven't been to Random Locks' channel, you really need to go there. He's got some really interesting videos. He's had a lot of vintage locks on there, and he's been picking some challenge locks as well. Heck, he's been making some pretty kick-ass challenge locks, so definitely go check him out. And I want to go ahead and put this guy in the vise. I'm not going to clamp him down too hard. I don't want to scratch the patina off. So what we're going to try is top the keyway tension with a wiper insert. I just prefer to use wiper inserts with padlocks, just my personal preference. Unless it's an American padlock, then I'll use a pry bar on those. So I'm going to go with a medium to light tension. I actually need a shorter hook. Let's see here. Let me reset just in case I did click something. Just trying to get underneath this pin. Okay, I got a real light click out of it. Okay, there's a click there. Another click. Okay, I want to switch to a little bit deeper hook. This is actually a Sparrow Euro hook. Okay, got a click out of 1. Okay, I can't get under 3, so I'm going to go back to my homemade really short hook. Okay, there we go, off of pin 3. So, not all that bad. I mean, it's your standard padlock. They don't hold a whole lot of secrets. And this is a really neat old lock, too. Now, I did lube it up a little bit before going at it. It was a little bit tight, so I stuck some Tri-Flow in there, and it's good to go. And let's go ahead and test the key. Oh, the key makes it pop out really nicely. Very nice little old padlock. Thanks, Random, for the lock. I really appreciate it. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please, like and subscribe.